Hi guys, and today I'm back with Ella.
Hello.
She's just over there.
I'm over there,
And we're going to be playing some Shark Bite on Roblox.
Where are my friends?
Okay, she's just being weird for a second. Hello.
Is there any water in there?
Yes. She was just trying to look at my dead fish. Lovely.
Oh my god.
Alright, I'll tell you when I've joined.
Hi, Mom. I know I need to
It's just loading. Okay. Stretch.
Hi, Mom.
Dance. This looks so weird. Okay, that's gonna. Well,
I joined.
yeah, you.
Oh my god.
You look so weird like that. Okay.
The world is loading for me.
Oh wow, Shark Bite is loading for me.
Same here.
3, 2,
Mine's
One.
already loaded.
same.
It's just going up.
Oh, I see you. This is Ella. Whoa, weird music, too loud. Okay, I'm gonna turn that off. Okay. Can you turn the music off, please? It's weird music. It's kind of disturbing me.
I want to watch the shark.
Oh my god, I'm like floating. Can you guys see that? I'm just floating.
I'm stuck.
I'm floating. I'm not lying, I'm floating.
Yeah.
Ah! Hi.
When I just stay on the lighthouse. I'm gonna see if I can find a shark.
Oh, I
think the
jumped
shark's
through the whole
AFK.
world, like.
The shark is AFK.
Oh wow. Chance of being shark, 4th percentage.
Same.
4th percentage. Oh gosh.
I miss my dog.
Why is this here? What is this? It's just doesn't look right.
Your face doesn't look right. Mine doesn't.
No, it looks fine. Mine looks like I kind of look a bit like Michael Jackson because of like my mouth and
Smooth criminal.
boom. The shark has been killed.
Good.
Good indeed.
Oh, I have a mansion boat.
Can you invite
Yeah, sure.
me?
Do you want me to get my mansion boat out or my
Mansion.
boat?
Mention.
My mansion boat has a pool.
Yes,
So
definitely.
good.
We are going to go on holiday now. Yeah.
Yeah, but there's shark infested water.
Mhm.
So
Which is sad.
because we came down.
Exactly. Could just like fall off the pool or something. I remember.
Fall off the pool.
Yeah, we could
Don't
fall
go
off
in
the
the
pool.
pool because the shark and by the way, if the shark gets you, go underwater
Yeah.
and then they can't find you.
Okay, please don't be
Or
me.
If it's us though.
Okay,
Sit,
supper.
sit
Supper.
Right,
Suppiwa.
I'll get my mansion.
Invite me first.
I'm not inviting anyone else. I've invited you.
Yay. I joined.
How much was that? The deluxe boat.
The deluxe boat.
The deluxe boat was 1,000 teeth.
I don't have 30 teeth.
I have 155. Right, I get my pistol out. Is it pistol?
What is this? I just got like a.
So wait, come
This
upstairs.
is definitely not a pistol.
Come upstairs.
Okay.
Come on,
I can't even see the stairs, to be honest.
I know, it's so freaking rare. The shark has been freaking released.
He looks terrifying. I'm just kidding, he
I
doesn't.
want to come face to face with that thing. Big old thing.
Oh, I gotta sit, don't I? I don't want to. Oh no, are you moving?
Sit.
I can't.
Just get.
I can't go down.
Just get the hell upstairs.
I'm upstairs. I can't actually go down. It won't let me. What's going on?
Try sit on a seat.
Where's the seats? I can't get downstairs.
Try.
I can't. I've tried. That's why I'm saying I can't.
The shark's over there.
How am I supposed to get down? Oh no. There's one way. I have to get in the pool. For a
Come
second.
on, the shark is right over there.
I can't. You're moving. Okay, there we go. I'm good now. Okay. Oh. Woo. This is making me so dizzy.
Okay, good. You're on a seat.
Whoa! I got flung. You flung me off.
I didn't. Come on, quickly get back on.
I can't. I'm gonna drown or something.
Quick, go back the ladder.
I can't. You're
You
moving.
will drown. Hold on, the ladders. Wait there.
Bro, help me.
Sylvie, wait.
This girl's helping me now. Hi. She has like a banana boat. What is this?
I kind of want to get on.
Oh, it's a jet ski.
I fell
I
off.
think.
I fell off, Sylvie. Can you tell her to wait?
She's definitely not gonna. Oh, she. Hey, we're on the banana. Woo! Look at we're on the banana. She's dragging us. This is fun. Oh God. Oh. Hey! We have a cooler. We have
I'm
a
gonna
banana.
buy a banana boat.
Yay!
See.
Whoa! We're driving. This girl is terrible drive. She can't drive, can she? They just want to
They're
go.
trying to
in.
get onto my mansion boat.
Well, it's not really a mansion because a mansion is a house.
Ah,
This person is so annoying. She just wants to attack. You're gonna.
The shark is it? Oh, the shark is under us.
Is it? You sure? Mon! What does Mon mean? Come on! Shoot, shoot. Shoot, 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 shoot. Pew, pew, pew. Pew.
The shark is under us.
Is it?
Yeah.
Sure?
I saw it. Because whenever there's a circle.
Am I hitting it?
Hurry up. Hurry.
I'm hitting it! Sometimes. A little bit. Not really. Hi.
Oh, the shark is over there.
Seriously?
Well, I think I'm going to abandon this boat.
Why?
Because this girl is a... Oh my god, the shark is over there, Sylvie.
Shoot it! Shoot it! Get your gun out, people! We're killing it!
Hurry up. Right, I think I'm going to have to abandon the boat. She's going straight to the shark.
She wants to shoot it.
Yeah, but what's the more... What is she doing?
She's trying to shoot the shark, I think.
Stop shooting the shark and get on, because what's more chance? Shooting the shark, wasting your time, or the shark coming straight to you?
Well, but the shark's not coming, so
It
we
will
could just...
be. I'm going to abandon the ship.
I'm staying. See you later. Well, wait, you're really behind now.
Don't care.
Hi. Bye. You're just staying there. You're gonna get hit. Time's up.
And I survived.
Yep. Shark has been killed.
Ha, sucker.
Whee. Okay.
Yeah, I got teeth.
I got 50. I now have 50 now. Got 50. Ow. I got 50 teeth now. Right.
6% to be a shark.
I think next video we'll do like a Bloxburg meme video.
Yeah, but I've got terrible. I get terrible back on that.
iPad?
Yeah.
I I got knocked off.
I could only show them if I was to log into the account.
Whoa!
Of the meme. I doubt that would. I love this one that is killed when we respawn as a shark. I'm the shark.
No?
Oh.
No, you're not.
Froze on me. Right, join my boat.
Wait, I'm gonna join invite you. I think I have this.
No, you have a terrible boat.
No, this is
That's
good.
a bad boat. It's really slow.
I like it.
Okay. Have fun dying.
I ain't dying. I get my ducky boat and I'm gonna zoom off.
I'm happy because I got a new speedboat.
Is it better than your mansion boat or thing? Because I don't really, to be honest, it's a bit white. It is a bit white though. Just a bit.
At least it's a pool. Ah.
But you fall off the pool when you really go in it.
Why is the shark already being killed?
It hasn't.
I'm going so fast.
I'm just gonna see what.
I see another mansion boat.
I'm just gonna see what happens. Not moving. Okay, then. I'm just.
There are 2 sharks. Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay, whoa! This is a real fast boat.
Ah, the shark killed me.
You died?
Yeah.
Oh. Lovely.
Because I was right next to the shark. It's so hard to be sure.
Please don't kill me.
Well, I got killed, so.
So. Ugh.
What boat you mean?
I'm not telling you. Did you kill me?
No.
Oh, someone else killed me.
Oh, so you don't.
Yeah. Oh, I spawned shark. Oh, I hate being a shark. I don't get it. Oh. Oh my god, the screen is so weird. Look at my screen.
I know, same.
My screen is confusing. Whoa! I bumped into another shark. Whee! Whoa! Oh, I'm feeling real seasick. Oh, look at my screen.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, I'm super duper speed sick. Seed sick. No. Oh, seasick. Oh, sick. I feel real sick. I'm dizzy. Whoa! It's messing up the mind. I keep flipping.
Yeah, same.
I flipped again. Oh, I hate this. Oh gosh. I need serious help right now.
I think we all do.
Oh god. Everyone who's a shark, I feel bad for. Oh, boat. Oh, that's an already destroyed. Need to find a person.
I found a person. I found ways. People are escaping.
Oh my. Wait.
Is this a person? Oh, it's a
Yeah, I thought that. Aha! Person! Oh no, it's an already destroyed boat. Oh, I think I've seen another person. And I bumped into them. Wow! Why, person? What?
Where was it?
I don't know.
Oh, I just munched a shark.
Okay, I think I'm gonna end it here, guys. So